I'm Adam Morris, the SEO team leader here at Matter Solutions, and I'm going to talk about bounce rate today. So bounce rate is when somebody lands on your website and they don't make any interaction and they leave. So a common misconception is that it's actually based on time. So they might visit your page for under 30 seconds and then they leave, and that's declared as a bounce. They can be on there for up to 10 minutes and it would still be a bounce. It just means that they didn't engage in the content. So another factor of bounce rate is, first off, you really want to make sure that when a user comes from somewhere, whether it be organic search, whether it be from Google Ads, you want to make sure that they're getting what they think they're going to get, right? So if you have an ad that says one thing and then your page says another thing, people are going to bounce because it's not what they were expecting. They'll go back to the search to find out what they want to find. So that's the first thing. Second thing is people want to see the information they want to see straight away. They want to see, you know, a button that says exactly what they want to do, or they want to see the information they want to see. So if you're not presenting what they're expecting to see, then they're probably going to bounce as well. And then the third thing would be your website loading speed. So website loading speed is incredibly important. You really want them to be able to hit that page fast. You want them to be able to see what they want straight away. People's attention span is really low, and you've got to be optimizing everything to make sure that they're viewing that. So if you're looking at bounce rate, you really want to have a look at analytics, Google Analytics. There's a few third-party apps that try and sort of mimic what it's doing, but Google Analytics is the best way to go with it. You can see your bounce rate, you can see it by page, you can see exactly how long people are spending on your page. All the information you need is right in Google Analytics. So if you have watched this video and you really want to learn how to fix your bounce rate, you want to learn what you're doing wrong, we can definitely help. We actually do a free audit. It usually takes about an hour or 2 hours of our time, and we dive into your website, find out what's going wrong. You can pose us some questions saying, you know, maybe this page is receiving a higher bounce rate that I would like. Why is that? And we'll give you all the information.